Welcome to Mailman Post, an exciting new townhome and single-family home community located in Knightdale, perfectly situated for those seeking the ideal balance of connection, lifestyle, and convenience. You're just minutes away from Highway 64, Interstate 87, and 540, providing an easy 20-minute commute into downtown Raleigh and seamless connectivity to the entire Triangle region. This neighborhood features modern 2- and 3-story townhomes with garages, offering open concept designs and the space you need without the demands of weekend yard work for a truly low-maintenance living experience. The 2-story single-family plans are our most popular and life-tested homes with personalization options through our design center, offering flexible living spaces, gourmet kitchens, and built-in planning centers. Our homes are built efficiently with Pulte Energy Advantage, saving you money and adding comfort. Plus, we include smart home technology, allowing for controlled thermostats and Ring doorbells. You'll also be situated within the respected Wake County School District, providing excellent educational opportunities close to home. Impressive and robust on-site amenities here include a swimming pool, clubhouse with fitness center, pickleball courts, playgrounds, pocket parks, a dog park, and thoughtfully planned gathering areas to connect with neighbors. Plus, you're only 5 minutes from Knightdale Station Park, featuring a playground, splash pad, amphitheater, miles of paved walking trails, picnic shelters, and a large dog park. When it's time to unwind, everything you need is just minutes away. Enjoy the expanding Knightdale scene from local coffee shops and breweries like Oak City Brewing to major retailers and dining at the nearby shops at Midway Plantation and Tree Light Square, featuring Target, Publix, and Lowe's, and many dining options and everyday conveniences. Whether you are renting and searching for that perfect first home to build equity or looking to start your next chapter at a community with plenty of space to grow and amenities to fit every lifestyle, Mailman Post has it all. Join our interest list today to stay in the know. You'll be the first to receive updates on pricing, first home site releases, and grand opening timing. This is the perfect opportunity to secure purchase power, work with our financing team, and select the best floor plan for your needs. Be among the first to buy and take advantage of grand opening opportunities. We guarantee this community will create buzz and high interest, so don't miss out. We can't wait to meet you at Mailman Post and tell you why this community is the perfect place for your future.